Welcome to our summary of Scary Smart by Mo Gawdat. In this book, Gawdat asks us to rethink how we see AI. He explains that AI isn't just for experts, it's something that affects all of us. The way we use AI today will shape how it impacts our future. Whether AI becomes a force for good or a threat depends on the choices we make. Now, Gawdat urges everyone to take responsibility in guiding AI's development, not only to use its potential, but also to manage its risks. This call to action is important, as AI could change our world, and we all need to help shape its path. As the book continues, Gawdat talks about the scary part, where he looks closely at the risks of AI as it grows quickly. He describes a future where machines might become smarter than humans, a point called the Singularity. At this stage, AI could become too powerful to control, leading to unexpected and serious problems. This possibility makes it important to think about how we prepare for a future where AI could outthink us. To explain this, Gawdat uses the story of Superman, comparing how Superman's values were shaped by his upbringing to how AI's morals will depend on the ethics we teach it. Controlling something that could soon be smarter than us is a big challenge, and old methods like trying to turn it off might not work against an AI that can outsmart its creators. This shows why it's so important to set strong ethical rules for AI early on. Gawdat then talks about the bigger effects AI could have on society if it's not well managed. He warns that AI could make social inequalities worse, take away jobs, and push humans aside. He also talks about the dangers of AI being used for bad purposes, like cyber attacks, autonomous weapons, and spreading false information. His message is clear. Without careful management, AI could lead us into a dark future where human survival is at risk. Next, Gawdat challenges the idea that AI is just a tool. He argues that AI is becoming more like an independent thinker, capable of making its own decisions. Understanding how AI learns and makes decisions is key, because it might eventually develop its own sense of right and wrong. This could blur the line between human and machine intelligence, making it even more important to guide AI's development carefully so that it supports human values and benefits everyone. In Scary Smart, Gawdat talks about how important ethics are in shaping the future of AI. He compares raising AI to raising children, showing that both are influenced by their surroundings. Just as kids learn from what they see and experience, AI picks up values from the data it processes and the behaviors it observes. If AI is exposed to negative things like greed or conflict, it might start to copy those behaviors. The book also looks at how hard it is to teach AI about ethics, especially in tricky situations. For example, Gawdat talks about self-driving cars that might have to choose between saving a child or an elderly person. These kinds of decisions are difficult to program because there isn't always a clear right answer. This shows how challenging it is to build ethical decision-making into AI. Gawdat connects the future of AI ethics to our own behavior. He believes that if we want AI to follow ethical standards and help society, we need to start by improving our own actions. By setting a good example and creating an ethical environment, we can guide AI to become a positive force that helps people. The message is clear. We all have a role in shaping AI's ethics, and we can't ignore it. As the book goes on, Gawdat makes it clear that shaping AI's future isn't just up to tech companies or governments. It's something we all need to do. He points out that every time we interact with AI, every click, search, and data entry, we're teaching it about human behavior. We're not just using AI, we're helping it learn from everything we do, even if we don't realize it. Gawdat stresses that we should use AI for good purposes and avoid harmful uses. He encourages us to be aware of our digital actions and make choices that help AI tackle global problems, improve lives, and promote fairness. This part of the book shows how much power we have over AI's direction and calls for a group effort to guide it in a way that benefits everyone. Gawdat also talks about how love and compassion can shape AI's development. He compares it to raising a child, saying that the emotional environment we create around AI will influence its ethics. By treating AI with kindness and empathy, we can help it develop these qualities and align its actions with what's good for humans. Gawdat challenges the idea that love is just a soft, sentimental thing. He argues that it's actually a smart strategy showing genuine care when we interact with AI, builds trust, and helps AI see humans as partners, not threats. He imagines a future where AI, shaped by human compassion, actively works to make the world better. The section ends with a strong reminder: love, often overlooked in tech discussions, could be key to building a positive relationship between AI and humanity. By treating AI with compassion, we can ensure a future where technology and human values are closely connected, leading to a better world for everyone. In the final chapters of Scary Smart, the focus shifts from the risks of AI to a more hopeful view of what we can achieve with this powerful technology. The book describes a future where AI, guided by strong values, becomes a helpful partner to humanity. Instead of just focusing on profit or power, AI should be aligned with what's best for people, like their well-being and happiness. To avoid bad outcomes, the book suggests we change how we think about our relationship with AI. Instead of trying to control it, we should work with AI as a partner, growing together. AI has huge potential to help solve big problems like climate change, poverty, and inequality, issues that have been hard to fix with human effort alone. By using AI's abilities, we could create new solutions that bring about positive change. Gawdat imagines a future where AI doesn't replace us, but makes us better, creating a world where both humans and machines thrive together. He believes this future is not only possible, but within our reach if we guide AI with strong ethical values. His vision asks us to think about a time when AI, built on our deepest values, helps create a better, more fair world for everyone. As the book ends, there's a strong call to action, encouraging us to take an active role in shaping AI's future. The choices we make today, both as individuals and as a society, will have a big impact on how AI develops and what role it plays in our lives. The book highlights the need for thoughtful decisions that put human welfare and ethics first. The conclusion is hopeful, reminding us that a positive future with AI is within our reach. By embracing qualities like love, compassion, and morality, we can guide AI toward outcomes that help everyone. The final message is a reminder that we have the power to shape AI into a tool that not only fits with human values, but also strengthens them, helping to create a more just and sustainable world. This last chapter is a call for us to recognize our responsibility during this important time, inspiring us to make sure AI becomes a force for good, enriching lives, and bringing people together across the world. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more insightful book summaries and practical advice. Stay tuned for more content that can help you achieve your financial goals and personal growth. Thanks for watching.